Class Chandra, Volume 1, Exercise 1, Back of 1. 5 seconds. Ready. Start. Honorable members will notice that so far as public relation go, the bill has covered adequate ground in a measure like the company's bill, however, which covers the entire field of the operation of joint stock companies. The limits of conciliation and discussion can never be exhausted, and I would like to inform honorable members that although the bill was introduced in Parliament over 7 months ago, our officers have been engaged throughout this period in further studies and informal discussions with the interests concerned, and on occasion I have also participated in such discussion. I have also given some further thought to some of the issue arising out of the bill, and I propose at the appropriate stage to bring before the select committee any chances in the provision of the bill which seem to me to be worthy of consideration. In the light of this further examination, no honorable members will have noticed that the bill contains 6 clauses and 12 schedules. I think it is probably one of the longest legislative measures in recent legislative history, but its size might be regarded as misleading unless I make a few comments. The bill is both. One must remember a consolidation and amending measure as maintained in the statement and objects and regions. This is the first opportunity has been occurred since 1923 for the consolidation of the Companies Act. Advantage has been taken of this opportunity to retract several long and complicated sections in the present Act, which have been split up into a large number of clauses. This is the largest single factor accountable for the increase in the number of clauses in the bill. New clauses embedding substantial changes in the present law would hardly constitute more than a small fraction of the bill. I would also draw attention to the structure changes in the bill to which a reference has been made in the statement and objects and regions. The redraft of the bill and the rearrangement of the exacting chapters in the Companies Act in a more logical order have, I think, result in a noticeable improvement in the form of the will, and I hope will facilitate better understanding and appreciation of the scheme. I wish that the Act, which came into effect long ago, was implemented properly. I know that the minister here is very earnest in implementing it, but unfortunately has clauses at the state level and disappointing him. Unfortunately, no step has been taken for taming or tuning up the administration at the state level and at the district level. They have to be taken immediately. Class Chandra, Volume 1, Exercise 1, Back of 1. 5 seconds. Ready. Start. Honorable members will notice that so far as public relation go, the bill has covered adequate ground. In a measure like the